The handle is infinitely adjustable to accommodate different demands. Innovatively designed storage compartments both sides make it easy to carry personal items. Mobility scooter with adjustable speed. Forward and reverse can be easily switched. Featuring lightweight yet durable omniusually wheels, adapts easily to gravel, grass and other surfaces. High-performance headlights and warning light, providing superior visibility for safe night travel. One-touch folding for convenient storage. Dual charging ports for convenient charging anywhere and anytime.